This is a video of a double-walled stovepipe installation. This is a telescopic 6-inch double-wall black stovepipe from Duravent. Telescopic length 40 to 68. I need 63, so this should work good for me. This is my application. I'm going to put it between my stove and my roof box. Right now I have a 6-inch single wall in there that keeps burning out. So hopefully this will help me out. This is the end that slides into this one. You can see how it goes here. This is the other end that goes into the stove and goes into my roof. The issue with this, the outer pipe is 7 1/4. The inner pipe is 6 inches. That's what I need, 6 inches. So I've purchased 2 adapters, 2 sleeves. These are 6-inch sleeves. One end's going to go into my stove. The other end will fit inside of this, like that. And the same with the other piece that goes into the roof. This will go into here. This is where our new stovepipe is going. Double-walled pipe that we're going to put in today. This is the old single-wall pipe that I put in last year, and it's burning out again like it does every year. It burns out right at the top. Starting to get some pinholes in it. This is after one winter. So here I got the old pipe out, and I put the adapter in the roof, that 6-inch coupler that I bought separate. Then I need another one on the bottom that I've got right here. I'm going to put it in my stove. Fits a little bit loose, but it tightens up right there. I don't want to go too far down. That leaves enough to go into. So we got our new double wall pipe installed. This is what it looks like. I had a little bit of trouble when I put it in. I had trouble holding it and sliding the 2 pieces back apart to fit into the stove. So what I wound up doing was putting a screw in the top to hold the top, and then I was able to use a hammer and a board right here on this seam and tap the bottom down into the stove and kind of hold on to the top one so I didn't lose it. Then when I was done, I put a screw in the bottom into that sleeve. So I've got one there, I've got one in the top, and then when you're done, 3 screws go all the way around to hold the 2 pieces from moving. Tools that you need. I have a drill with a drill so I can drill a small hole for the screw. The screw takes a Phillips screwdriver. I have a hammer, regular screwdriver. Block of wood works good for hammering on the edge, so you can tap it without bending your steel. Looks good, looks better than the old one. Went together a lot faster. I probably got, an hour and a half maybe.